Welcome to With a Kiss. I'm Adrienne Kiss. Today we are talking stuffing. It's such a good part of Thanksgiving dinner. I love it at all holiday meals really, but what I have to share with you today is an awesome hack that's gonna save you time, tons of time, and it's a little bit lighter than regular bread stuffing because of my secret ingredient. So I was in the freezer aisle the other day and I walked by like the Green Giant, all the frozen vegetables, and I noticed that they make riced cauliflower stuffing. I looked at all the ingredients, it's amazing. Okay, so what's in here? Obviously cauliflower, that's gonna be the base. Carrots, celery, onion, green onion, sage, cranberries, garlic, parsley, thyme, rosemary, sage. What's not in here that's yummy and delicious and natural? So immediately I'm like, oh my gosh, I have to try this. It has all these ingredients in that I don't have to chop. They come to you, the cauliflower is riced, everything else is chopped, mixed in there. It's so genius. So my suggestion to you, if you wanted to have that as a delicious vegetable side, go right ahead. That sounds delicious. But for me, this is the time of year where opposite of counting calories, I want things to be rich and filling and yummy and cozy. So we're gonna add bread to it today. But again, I wanted to keep this really simple for myself and for you. So what we're gonna do is just add that stovetop, delicious, pre-made stuffing mix that we're gonna heat up over the oven. So once I heat both of these up, I'm gonna mix them together. I love to have oven-baked stuffing where you warm it in the oven, so I'll walk you through all that. But really, it's so incredibly easy. So I just wanna show you how easy this is to make. I'm gonna start with my Green Giant riced cauliflower stuffing, which I'm so excited to smell when I put it over the stove. So I'm gonna heat it up over medium heat, and on the package it says it only takes about 8 minutes, and I found this to be really true. So I'm gonna put that in my pan there. Yummy, yummy, yummy. Okay, so that's gonna start to heat through. And then I'm probably gonna take a break because I'm gonna need to boil my chicken stock for the stovetop stuffing, which is gonna take a couple minutes. So we'll take a break and I'm gonna come back to you when everything is ready to be mixed together. Oh yeah, that's another little tip I wanted to say. I noticed that on the box of stovetop it said to use water and butter or margarine, but chicken stock or vegetable stock makes everything so incredibly flavorful. I can even smell it right now. It hasn't even been heated up and it just smells like Thanksgiving. So we're gonna heat that up until it boils and get to work on basically like 1 step, 2 step, 3 step in the oven. That's how easy this is. I will see you in a couple minutes. Okay, I'm back and my kitchen smells incredible. It just took the 8 minutes to saute up my yummy riced cauliflower stuffing right out of the bag, so easy. And then another 5 minutes to let the stovetop bread-based stuffing get all delicious and savory, and I wish you could smell this. So I'm mixing them both together in this bowl. And just when I was looking at this off camera, I noticed that it seemed like it needed a little more moisture because I do like to put it in the oven to help it crisp up a little bit. So I have on standby my chicken stock, and I think I am gonna pour just a little bit in to get it all. Oh my gosh, this smells so good. I love how easy this has been. This whole process has really taken less than 10 minutes. Then the time that I get to just chill and like have white wine will be when this is heating up in the oven, because that's what's kind of nice about Thanksgiving is spending all that time in the kitchen and then just going and like taking a break and watching the parade for a little bit. So I have a greased baking dish, greased it with butter, and I'm patting my stuffing down in here. You could eat, I mean, so this isn't, we're not stuffing it in the bird, there isn't, there's not raw egg in here. So if you like to just have the regular stovetop stuffing like this, you can serve it just like this. But I love the crispy edges, so I'm gonna put a little bit, it's great wetness there, just about a couple tablespoons of chicken stock. I'm gonna put a little butter on the top, just give it extra yumminess. So I've preheated my oven to 350, and I'm gonna cook it for about 20-25 minutes. It's the kind of thing, like I said, again, it's not like there's raw eggs in here, so I'm just really gonna get it to that delicious brown crispy edges that I love so much. So here we go, there's our Green Giant riced cauliflower stuffing. To be continued. I can't wait to eat this. Hi, welcome back. So I put my stuffing in the oven for about 25 minutes. It got nice golden brown. That butter that I put on top just melted right in, added a little extra moisture. I'm so ready to dig into this. It smells incredible. It smells like Thanksgiving in my house. Oh my gosh, it's just like even more fragrant when coming out. Oh, it's so pretty. So I dusted it with a little bit of fresh parsley, which I think, and I'm gonna like do more because I just think it looks so pretty. But anyway, adds a little flavor too. So I'm gonna let you know how this tastes, nice and warm, straight from the oven. Ooh, I like the texture. It's like you get the bread and the cauliflower. Oh my gosh, so good. I was just motivated actually. If you have kids and you need to like sneak in vegetables, I would say this would be the perfect way. Like, did you see how big that bag of veggies was? I mean, it just tastes like good, delicious bread stuffing. Really hope you check out this recipe. I am so excited to dive in. There's not gonna be many leftovers after I'm done with this. Anyway, please subscribe to my channel with a kiss. If you have any comments or questions, please write them below, and I will see you next time. Bye.